I bet you didn't know what happens when you take lemon and ginger together. This powerful combination has been used for centuries in natural medicine, and today, science is proving just how effective it really is. Let's start with your immune system. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, a key nutrient that helps your body fight off colds, flu, and infections. Ginger, on the other hand, contains gingerol, a natural compound with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Together they create a natural shield for your body. Next up, digestion. Ginger is known to relieve nausea, reduce bloating, and support healthy digestion. Lemon stimulates the liver to produce bile, which helps break down food more effectively. This combo can soothe your stomach and even relieve constipation. Trying to lose weight? Drinking lemon and ginger in warm water may help speed up your metabolism and curb cravings. It also promotes hydration, which is essential if you're aiming to shed fat and boost energy naturally. But that's not all. This duo is also great for your skin. Vitamin C from lemon supports collagen production, keeping your skin youthful and glowing. And ginger helps flush out toxins that can cause breakouts or dullness. Let's not forget detoxification. Lemon and ginger help stimulate liver function and gently cleanse your system. It's like hitting the reset button on your body, naturally and safely. And if you've got bad breath in the morning? Lemon neutralizes odors while ginger kills bacteria in the mouth. Just one warm cup in the morning and you'll feel fresher, inside and out. But remember, moderation is key. Too much lemon can irritate your stomach or wear down your tooth enamel. And large doses of ginger may thin your blood or upset sensitive stomachs. So what's the best way to enjoy it? Simple. Boil a cup of water, add a few slices of fresh ginger, let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then squeeze in half a lemon. Add honey if you like. Sip it slowly, preferably in the morning. Try it for a week, and your body will thank you. Lemon and ginger, nature's small but mighty health combo. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.